Thanks for your interest in solving societal challenges through the Factory of Innovative Policy Solutions. My name is Scott from Dreamlit on YouTube, and this video aims to familiarize you step by step with using first principles thinking as a method to come up with innovative solutions for your problem of choice. In short, the first principles thinking method encourages you to break down a problem to its core by asking critical questions before coming up with new solutions from scratch. Without people even knowing it, this method has been used in everyday life to solve problems and also to realize aspirations that seem impossible at first. Descartes, Elon Musk, and Aristotle are well-known practitioners of this method. As a quick example, SpaceX came about thanks to Elon applying first principles thinking. He wanted to get to Mars, but the cost of space travel appeared to be far too steep. Even NASA had no plans of getting to Mars anytime soon. But thanks to first principles thinking, Elon managed to ask the right questions concerning the obstacles and assumptions surrounding the cost, leading him to today, where SpaceX has successfully launched into orbit using the same first-stage rocket booster 3 times, making history. By applying first principles thinking, he managed to cut the cost of space travel substantially, making the Mars mission a lot closer. Using the same first principles thinking, many other societal concerns can also be solved. So let's get started. Step 1. You have selected a societal problem that you want to solve. First, list the obstacles that prevent it from being solved. You can identify these obstacles through research or common sense reasoning. For example, if you strive to increase literacy rates among girls in the rural areas of Mauritania, potential obstacles are traveling far to go to school and needing to support their families with domestic work. Make sure to allocate ABCs to each problem. It'll help you structure your thinking. Step 2. Now it's time to get a bit critical and question the assumptions of each obstacle. For example, how long do girls need to travel on average? How can we reduce this distance? Do they actually need to travel at all? And so forth. Such questions will get you closer to the core of the obstacles. And don't forget to indicate which question is relevant to which obstacle. Now try to answer these questions as well as you can. While you can answer most of them through intuition and creativity, some may require the aid of your search engine. Don't worry if you can't answer every question. Some questions will spark creative solutions right away, while others will encourage you to identify first principles first. A question like, how long do girls need to travel on average, can lead you to an answer like, on average, they need to travel 10 kilometers to get to school, which takes them about 2 hours. In our example, this would be a first principle, because it's a fact-based truth based on real data. Please write them down as well. Step 3. At this stage, you may have already come up with some brilliant innovative solutions already. Well done. But there may be more solutions awaiting to be discovered. For each question and first principle, try to ask follow-up questions that are equally as critical, such as, can the travels be designed so that they are productive at the same time? And, is it possible to learn to write and read without having to travel at all? This process can inspire an innovative solution, such as creating an educational radio program or introducing mobile teachers. And yes, you should write down any and all solutions that come up, regardless of how unorthodox they may be. While there are multiple avenues that you can explore, feel free to explore just one particular obstacle or a critical question. We hope that these steps can help guide and stimulate your creativity to come up with innovative solutions for societal problems that you care about. Once you have submitted your solutions, the FIPS team will select and harmonize the most innovative and promising ones as a document that will be delivered as an invitation to people who can be instrumental in realizing your ideas, like policymakers, mayors, community leaders, and donors. We'll make sure that you get credited for your ideas by mentioning your name or pseudonym in the Journal for Innovative Policy Solutions. We'll also award contributors that supply the most innovative solutions and have shown to be the best first principles thinker on their personal profile. Good luck. This video is co-produced by the Factory for Innovative Policy Solutions and Dreamlit. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to message info@innovativepolicysolutions.org.